If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super happy to introduce you to the Twilight Traveler, a scroll and turquoise pattern. Isn't she gorgeous? Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So as you can see on the front, we have a nice decorative type front panel. You have a slip pocket here and a slip pocket here. This one I have done a double-sided straps and a double-sided crossbody. On the back you have another pocket that goes all the way through, a nice sized pocket, which is amazing for putting any kind of decorative cotton or decorative panel that you may want on this bag. It has a zipper that goes all the way down the sides, crossbody strap, double zipper closure, and on the inside, this is my favorite part. On this side, you have 6 card slots, 2 large slip pockets. And on the other side, 2 zipper pockets with zipper overlays. And she's fairly big in size. I just love it. So she's got a medium-sized bag, which holds a lot of stuff. I just love this. This can be made in canvases, cottons, leathers, vinyls, whatever you'd want to have me make this for you, I can do it. And anyways, if you are one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, I have a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.